Now we are going to discuss the model calculation for the venturimeter experiment. Before that, we should know some observation for the venturimeter experiment. Diameter of the pipe for venturimeter experiment is 50 mm. Then specific gravity of heavy liquid, it is 13.6 and pipe liquid is 1. Area ratio is 0.35. And volume collected flowing through water meter N is 100 liters. So let me show one reading for the venturimeter. It is 13.5, 60.5 and time taken is 12.21. Let me say that this as the reading and we shall proceed with the model calculation. So these are the three readings we are going to take from the model calculation. So 13.5, 60.5 and 12.21. So how to fill these columns and to calculate CD. And we know difference in manometer reading Y. So Y is equal to Y2 minus Y1 divided by 100, because it is in centimeter, this is in terms of meter. So we have to convert centimeter to meter. So that is equal to 60.5 minus 13.5 divided by 100. So we will be getting Y is equal to in terms of meter. So we have got this column. And H, how to calculate H? From the formula we know that Y is Y into specific gravity of heavy liquid by specific gravity of pipe liquid minus 1. So to know the formula, you can refer the formula of this venturimeter. So H is equal to Y we have calculated here, so that value we have to put. Then specific gravity of heavy liquid is 13.6, pipe liquid is 1, so minus 1. So H is equal to, we will get in terms of water as some value. So we have got Y, we have got H also. Now we need to calculate Q actual. So Q actual equal to volume of water collected divided by time taken. So as we have discussed in the observation, volume of the water is 100. So into 10 power minus 3 to convert liters into meter cube divided by time is 12.21. So Q actual is equal to, we will be getting answer in terms of meter cube per second. So Q actual is also over. Now Q theoretical is equal to, we have a big formula, you can refer that. So A1 divided by root of 1 by A square minus 1 into root of 2GH. Okay, so this is the formula. In this, if you can observe, A1 is constant, A is constant, 2 is constant, G is constant, one variable is only H. So what we can do is, we can rewrite this formula as K into root H, which is available in the formula topic. So what is K here? So K is equal to A1 divided by root of 1 by A square minus 1 into root of 2G. So A1 is equal to pi by 4 d square, so which is equal to pi by 4 into 0.05, because diameter of the pipe is 50 mm. So we will get A1 equal to the answer. Then A equal to, small a equal to 0.3, it is given in the observation. Then G is constant 9.81. Once we substitute A1, A and G, we will get K. So multiplied by H. So H we have already calculated here. So once we substitute H here, we will get Q theoretical. So Q theoretical equal to K into root H, that is equal to meter cube per second. So we have got Q actual, Q theoretical. So Q actual, Q theoretical is over. Root H column is here. Whatever value we get here in H column, we have to take the root for that, we will get root H. So this is to draw the graph. So or otherwise we can find the value of K separately. We can find the value of K separately. Once we multiply by root H, we will get Q theoretical, because Q theoretical is equal to K into root H. We need not calculate K every time. it is enough to calculate K once. Once we calculate the value of K, we can multiply by the variable H to get Q theoretical. So suppose K value is, say for example, 5. So 5 into root H, okay, 5 into root H, for the 5 into this value, 5 into this value, okay, 5 into this value we will get Q theoretical, 5 into root H we will get this value. Like that we can fill Q theoretical. So the last column CD is equal to Q actual divided by Q theoretical. So this value divided by this value, and this should come approximately to 0.98. So that is the coefficient of discharge for the given venturimeter. So that is the end of venturimeter calculation.